You telling me you falling out of love with me? Yeah, yeah. Hope you can find someone to love you better than I did. Taking our memories on love and treating it like nothing. Taking our memories on love and treating it like gossip. It's my love from my grandmother made me gentle when I care for you. Tell me you're falling out of love.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a wig review from Klaiyi hair. So I'm just showing you guys the goodies that they sent over, and they also sent over this comb set. If you order your wig during the Black Friday sale, you do get this comb set for free, so that is nice. So today's wig is this 20-inch YAKI straight wig. I love a good YAKI wig. Y'all know I've been loving the YAKI texture lately because I feel like it blends so well with my hair. Although this is a wig, it still has that natural look. So this is what it looks like straight out the pack. Later I'm going to straighten it a little bit more. So the construction of the cap, you get a clip at the back, and then it also has an adjustable strap. So I am just about to tint the lace. This wig did come pre-cut, pre-plucked, and pre-bleached. And then I'm just going to put it on with the elastic band first. So like I said, this is a glueless wig. You can, if you want to, you can like use some spray or some adhesive to glue it down, but I decided to just keep it glueless. And this is me right here playing with the brushes. I really like the, well, it's a comb, but they kind of like shaped like a brush. I like the one that's like look like the one that I said I like in the video. Right now I'm just adding the wax stick to the middle part of my head, and then I'm just using my hot comb to make sure that middle section is nice and flat and smooth. And then of course I had to burn myself. I feel like I burn myself at least once a week. I am just so clumsy. Okay, now we are just going to frame the face, y'all. It's what you guys, I don't know if you guys noticed this, but I love framing my face. I just feel like it makes such a difference when I'm doing my installs. Like, it can really change the way a wig looks just by, you know, just framing your face just a little bit in the front. You don't have to cut off inches of the hair or anything, but just doing this really makes a difference. And you guys will see, I mean, you guys can see the transformation as I continue to do it.
You telling me you falling out of love with me? Yeah, yeah. Hope you can find someone to love you better than I did. Taking our memories on love and treating it like nothing.
Okay, now I'm just straightening the hair. When I first put on the wig, it did kind of have like a little puffiness or bulkiness to it. So I do like, whenever I get YAKI hair or kinky straight hair, I always like to go over it with my flat iron to just make it nice and sleek and straight. And I just love how it looks once I do that.
You telling me you falling out of love with me? Hope you can find someone to love you better than I did. You telling me you falling out of love with me? Hope you can find someone to love you better than I did. You telling me It's my love from my grandmother made me gentle when I care for you. You telling me you falling out of love with me, yeah, yeah. Hope you can find someone to love you better than I did. Taking our memories on love and treating it like nothing. Taking our memories on love and treating it like gossip. It's my love from my grandmother made me gentle when I care for you. Tell me you're falling out of love, it's breaking my heart in two. I just don't wanna sit and pray, almost I get that I'm gonna make you happy. You telling me you falling out of love.
Okay, so this is my hair completely straightened, y'all. This looks like I just pressed my hair. Like, it's just, I just love the texture of it. It looks so natural. It looks so realistic. And then the way that I cut it, and then the length of this hair as well, it just looks really, really good. Especially like when I turn around, like it looked like real hair. Like when I turn around, it just looks so real from the back, and it's not giving wig at all. And as you guys saw when I installed this hair, I didn't do a lot. Like, I didn't do nothing. I put the wig on, I straightened the hair, and now we're done. Now we're just playing with the hair and just doing stuff. So this is a very easy wear and go type of wig. You guys saw how easy it was for me to put it on. Like I said, you can wear it glueless or you can glue it down if you like. I decided to just wear it glueless. I'm just showing you guys up close of what it looks like the scalp area, and you can definitely part it. Look how nice it looks when I part this hair. Like, it looks so realistic. So if you guys are interested in this wig from Klaiyi Hair, I will definitely have the links down below. Take advantage of their Black Friday sale, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you Klaiyi for sponsoring this video. As always, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Don't slip on the trip.